Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm going to show you my Dewalt USB powered fan. As you can see, this you could buy from Walmart for like 10 bucks, and it's 5 volts, so it's very slow. I decided to build my own, and I'm using these 12 volt fans. These are computer fans which you get for next to nothing when you're scrapping your computer. This is 12 volt DC. Here's another one that's 12 volt DC. And here's another, this is 24 volt. Now for 24 volt, right, basically you just get a USB thingamajig. It turns 20 volt power into 5 volt. And for this one, I just took the shell out and wired it directly to this fan, because this fan is 24 volts DC and the battery is 20 volts, so it won't harm it. Here's one of them. As you can see, it's much more powerful than the 5 volt fan. Here's a computer fan. This one's 12 volts. Now what I did is I took out the guts of the inverter and I ordered this part from eBay. It converts 20 volt power into 12 volts. The part number is here, LM2596SDC, and it turns the voltage from 20 volts to 12 volts. I'm not too sure if 18 volts or 20 volts will fry the fan, so I got the inverter. It cost me like $2 US. And what you do is you just take out the couple screws and you take out these two screws and you kind of pry it open. You take out the guts and you just wire in directly. It's pretty straightforward. If you see here, it says in and out. The input, you put the positive, you solder the positive red onto where it says input plus, and the black wire from the inverter, you solder onto the input minus. Now on the other side, you solder the red wire onto the output of the fan. For this fan, for some reason I had it doesn't have a red wire, but I was testing out and I had to solder the yellow wire onto the output plus, and the black wire soldered onto the output minus. I'm going to turn it on for you. As you can see, it's actually pretty good if you're doing a little job and you know you're indoors. You don't want the boss to yell at you for carrying a huge fan. You make one of these things. This is just a square tubing to bolt into the 4 holes, and it just drilled through it to bolt it on here. Let me know what you think of this. Here's one. Here's 2. And here's 3.